In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your profile link on Patreon. This is really useful if you want to share your creator page on social media, add it to your website, or send it directly to potential supporters. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, make sure you're logged into your Patreon creator account in your browser. Once you're signed in, head over to your creator page dashboard. This is the page where you usually manage your tiers, posts, and settings. If you're not sure how to get there, look for an option like My Page, Creator Page, or Dashboard in the navigation menu. Click that, and it should take you to the main overview for your creator profile. On this dashboard, you'll see a preview of your public page along with some controls. Near the top, you should find a button or link labeled Edit Page or something similar. Next to that option, look carefully for a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. It's usually placed to the right side of the Edit button and can be easy to miss if you're not looking for it. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you do, a small drop-down or pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see several options related to your creator page settings and actions. One of the options you want to look for is labeled Share. This is the one that helps you get a link you can send to other people. Click on Share. After you click it, Patreon will open a sharing window or menu. This typically includes different ways to share your page, such as posting directly to social platforms or sending it via email. In that same sharing area, you should see a specific option that says Copy Link. Click on Copy Link. When you do that, Patreon will automatically copy your unique creator profile URL to your device's clipboard. You won't see anything change on the screen, but you can now paste that link wherever you like. For example, open a new browser tab, a document, or a message, and use paste to double check that the URL is correct. Once you've confirmed it, you're ready to share your Patreon profile link anywhere you want so people can easily find and support your work.